In this video, I'm going to reveal how to know what the session bias will be. Now, this has a 73% accuracy rate using 3 years worth of data. But it's important you understand the nuances of what I'm going to share with you. So this is Edgeful. Edgeful is a statistics tool which has dozens of statistics across all asset types. And once you're a member of Edgeful, you can then request custom reports to backtest your theories about the market. The report I'm going to share with you is the market session correlation report. And essentially what this says is if you know how one session has closed, you can look up statistics on how the second session will also close. So once you know how London is closed, you can find out whether you have a bias for the New York session. Now, once you have access to Edgeful, you will then have access to all other indicators. Okay, so the indicators are numerous. The one that we really care about for this particular report is the Edgeful market session correlation report. So let's simplify it for you. Let's take away Tokyo and let's just focus on London and New York. Now, it's important to understand that London is defined between 2 a.m. and 11 a.m. and New York is between 9:30 and 4 p.m. So what this report says is if you know that London has closed green, so that is from 2 o'clock to 11 o'clock, if you know London is closed green, you can look up to see what is the probability that New York will also close green. So let's do this for you now. So the report that we're interested in, it's a futures report for NQ. It's a price action report called market session correlation. I always like using a good amount of data, 3 years worth of data. And specifically, the report you want is the open to close report. Okay, if you want to look up the previous close to previous close, then there's a link to a 7-day free trial in the description to this video. But I'm going to show you the open to close report. Okay, and for my purposes, we're going to change this to 2 a.m. 2 a.m. to 11. There we go. So what this report says is if the London session has closed green, then there's a 73% chance that the New York session will also close green. Whereas if the London session closed red, then you have a 66% chance that New York will also close red. So once you understand the likelihood of London closing green, you know your bias for New York. This is a continuation. And you can look up the various statistics for the different asset classes. So you have ES in there, you have Dow Jones, you have crypto, you have forex. Once you understand the correlation between the assets and you know the chances and you know the statistics, you automatically have your daily bias. Okay, trading should be based off of statistics and not off of hunches. And Edgeful is a fantastic tool where you can look up statistics and request custom statistics. So the link to Edgeful's free trial is in the description to this video. And if you would like to learn my personal trading strategy, which is the time and price golden bullet, which works for index futures, forex, crypto, energies, and metals, there's a link in the description below.